Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Altima screen. First, if your screen is frozen or unresponsive, a simple soft reset often resolves the issue. Begin by turning off your vehicle's ignition completely. Ensure all power to the infotainment system is cut. Then, wait for at least 10 minutes before restarting your Nissan Altima. This allows the system to fully power down and clear any temporary glitches, often restoring full functionality. If a soft reset doesn't work, you might need to perform a hard reset. Many Altima models have a specific button combination for this. Typically, you'll press and hold the audio power button for about 10 seconds. Keep holding until the screen goes black and then restarts, displaying the Nissan logo. This forces the system to reboot, clearing deeper software issues and often resolving persistent problems. Sometimes, the issue isn't software-related but electrical. It's a good idea to check the infotainment system's fuse, usually located in the vehicle's fuse box. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact location and fuse number. Also, ensure all wiring connections behind the screen are secure and not loose. If you're uncomfortable with electrical work, consider seeking professional assistance to avoid further damage. If your Nissan Altima screen still isn't working after trying these resets and checks, it's time to contact a Nissan dealership or a certified automotive technician. They have specialized diagnostic tools to identify complex hardware or software faults that might require specific repairs or updates. Remember, you can find the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals by checking the link in the description below. Don't hesitate to seek expert help for persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.